Essential strategic management tools. 3 essential strategic management tools you should know. The ANSOF matrix to identify growth options, the balanced scorecard for keeping track of the execution of activity, and McKinsey's 7S model to analyze a firm's organizational design. ANSOF matrix. The ANSOF matrix is a strategic planning tool that provides a framework to help executives, senior managers, and marketers devise strategies for future growth. According to this tool, there are 4 possible combinations for growth. Each company needs to decide which strategy to use based on the strengths and weakness of the organization and its competitors. Each strategy has a different level of risk, with market penetration having the lowest risk and diversification having the higher risk. Market penetration. This occurs when a company infiltrates a market in which current products already exist. The best way to achieve this is by gaining the customer of competitors. Other ways include attracting non-users of your product or convincing current clients to use more of your product. While market penetration may come with the lowest risk, at some point the company will reach market saturation with the current product and will have to switch to a new strategy. Market development. Market development targets non-buying customers in currently targeted segments. It also targets new customers in new segments in order to expand the potential market. New user can be defined as a new geographic, demographic, institutional, or psychographic segments. If a company believes that its strength lies with its products and they believe their products will be enticing to new customers, then a company may want to use a market development strategy. New product development. New product development is a process that has two parallel paths. One involves the idea generation, product design, and detail engineering. The other involves market research and marketing analysis. Companies typically see new product development as the first stage in the overall strategic process of product lifecycle management used to maintain or grow market share. If a company believes that its strength lies with the customer, then they should consider a product development strategy. Diversification. Diversification seeks to increase profitability through greater sales volume obtained from new products and new markets. At the business unit level, diversification is most likely to expand into a new segment of industry that the business is already in. At the corporate level, it is generally via investing in a promising business outside of the scope of the existing business unit. Because of the high risk involved with diversification, many marketing experts believe a company shouldn't attempt diversification unless there is a high return on investment. The ANSOF matrix is a useful tool for organizations wanting to identify and explore their growth options. It is one of the most commonly used tools for this type of analysis due to its simplicity and ease of use. Balanced Scorecard. The Balanced Scorecard, invented by Kaplan and Norton, is a strategic management system used by businesses from all over the globe to align their business activities to the overall strategy and vision of their organization. We all know that business success, whether public or private, is ultimately down to performance. Hence, managing and measuring that performance is vital for any organization that wants to thrive in its niche or industry. This management system enables your business to set, trace, and ultimately achieve your objectives and strategies. After you develop your business strategy and goals, they can be set and tracked using the 4 legs of the Balanced Scorecard. Each leg deals with a distinct business perspective. These legs are the financial one, the internal business process leg, the customer leg, and the learning and growth leg. 1. Financial. Norton and Kaplan have not disregarded the need for financial data. Accurate and timely data is always a priority, being paramount for managers who want to get the complete picture. With the implementation of a large corporate database, the financial lag aims to automate process. The financial lag tracks your business financial performance and requirements, including return on investment, cash flow, financial result quarterly and annually, and return on capital employed. 2. Customer. More and more managers and researchers are coming to realize the huge importance of customer focus and customer satisfaction. If customers are not happy with your company, they will eventually migrate to the competition. Hence, poor performance from the customer perspective is an indicator of decline. Some of the areas assessed by this indicator include customer retention rate, delivery performance to the customer, customer percentage of market, customer satisfaction rate, and quality performance toward the customer. 3. Internal business process. This perspective allows you to measure customer process needs, requirements, and producers. Metrics based on this lag allow you to know how well your business is running and whether your service and product conform to your company's mission. Some of the areas that relate to internal business process are process automation, process bottlenecks, duplicate activities across function, number of activities per function, and process alignment. 4. Learning and grow. This perspective focuses on teaching you to educate your employees, how you gain knowledge, and how you can use this knowledge to maintain an edge in your niche. This leg deals with subjects like job satisfaction, training, and learning opportunity for your employees, employee turnover, and level of expertise for the job. According to Norton and Kaplan, learning is considered as much more important criterion than training. Additionally, they emphasize the importance of using high-performance work systems or technological tools in order to create a better work environment. Conclusion. Each of these unique perspectives or legs is interdependent. In other words, you need to improve all of them in order to reap the benefits of balanced scorecard. Hence, these four legs have to be analyzed and improved together on a regular basis in order for your company to thrive. Ignoring one of these legs is like sitting on a four-legged stool with one broken leg, an impossibility. You will eventually lose your balance and fall to the ground flat on your face. The main benefit of this system is that it reflects all the elements that define a company functions. This powerful management system also helps you study those areas where performance measurements are not normally present. However, there are few downsides to using balanced scorecards. Scorecards tend to evolve into complex management instruments. Moreover, maintaining these scorecards is a daunting task, which can take large amounts of time. In a nutshell, the balanced scorecard is a very good management assessing tool that allows managers to make positive change in their organization and complements smart strategies with smarter implementation. McKinsey 7S model. McKinsey 7S model is a tool that analyzes firms' organizational design by looking at 7 key internal elements: strategy, structure, systems, shared values, style, staff, and skills in order to identify if they are effectively aligned and allow an organization to achieve its objectives. Below you can find the McKinsey model, which represents the connection between 7 areas and divides them into soft S and hard S. The model can be applied to many situations. The most common use of the framework are to facilitate organizational change, to help implement a new strategy, to identify how each area may change in the future, and to facilitate the merger organizations. In the McKinsey model, the 7 areas of an organization are divided into the soft and hard areas. Strategy, structure, and system are hard elements that are much easier to identify and manage when compared to soft elements. On the other hand, soft areas, although harder to manage, are the foundation of the organization are more likely to create a sustainable competitive advantage. Strategy, hard factor. The long-term plan reinforced by strong vision, mission, and value. Structure, hard factor. The way business division and units are organized. Systems, hard factor, processes and procedures of the company, business daily activities and how decisions are made. Skills, soft factor, the abilities that firms employees perform very well, including capabilities and competence. Staff, soft factor, type and number of employees, including how they will be recruited, trained, motivated, and rewarded. Style, soft factor, the way the company is managed by top-level managers. Shared values, soft factor, norms and standards that guide employee and company action, the foundation of every organization. The key point of the model is that all the 7 areas are interconnected and a change in one area requires a change in the rest of the firm for it to function effectively. All elements must be given equal importance to achieve the best result.